up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're in the M5. We're just going back to back with these videos. You know how it goes. Today is Charlie Kirk's memorial. Pretty sad day. And then Paul Walker's memorial's over there, actually, which is crazy. So sad. I can't believe he died driving this street, man. That's freaking brutal, man. But we're in the M5 today, man. Hope all you guys are doing good. Even though I don't have the carbon fiber side skirts and I don't have the front splitter carbon fiber, I need to get an ASAP. But overall, it still looks really good. I mean, from like afar, if you stand far away, it really looks pretty wide. You know what I'm saying? Like that, they did a really good job with this here, man. The newest one, I don't know about the newest one, dude. It looks kind of funky. I'm gonna be real. Cause look, I'm gonna go to the back and the head, dude. The rear lights look way too good. Check this out. The rear lights look way too good, bro. They did such a good job with it. Oh my gosh, no, they did such a good job. There's my custom tips, custom muffler. So this whole exhaust is, I designed it. So if anyone wants it, you can hit me up in DMs. I had a website before, but I took that down because I'd rather just accept DMs because, you know, not a lot of people have M5s. So, you know, if anyone wants it, just hit me up. I'll get on an order for you. But other than that, dude, focusing on other things, you know, I don't need a website up to you know, help you guys get that. Because, like I said, dude, not everyone can get an M5. So, but let's get this POV started. Dude, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The reason why I react like this every time I drive this car, guys, is because during the week I don't drive it as much. You know, oh my gosh. I try to keep it more chill during the week, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my gosh, I want this car to last for a while, so. Goodness. Dude, the pops are crazy today. I hope you guys did good, man. I hope the week was good for you guys. Charlie Kirk's memorials today. So sad, man. Unreal that's happening in America, man. But the only way to really avoid it, bro, is just locking down on security more. That's it. For how big of a crowd he pulls, you know, it's like you gotta have next level security. Like for the memorial, I mean, dude, the president's there. They got security on a whole nother level. What I still can't believe is I can't believe Trump got freaking shot, bro. I know people say it's fake, but like, there's a huge chance it's not fake, and that's insane. Like he should be dead right now. That's insane. I mean, try and fake that, bro. I don't know, man. That's hard. So I don't know. I cannot wait until interest rates. Actually, I'm gonna do the next one. I cannot wait until interest rates drop, man. Getting a loan is gonna be easier. I just can't believe, bro. Like the best years to get loans was like, bro, I barely, like right when I was in high school, man. The loans are so cheap. Like I'm so bummed about that. Like it's been like 4 years with crazy interest rates. Like it's literally like getting a house just costs too much, bro. And they say that once they start dropping interest rates, house prices will go up more. I don't know, man, because if you look like in 2008, when like after the crisis happened, I think interest rates, they started dropping it. And like around 2012, like after like a year or two of the interest rates dropping, prices did not jump up too quick. But after 2012, they of course they went up. But like it went up gradually, you know what I'm saying? Like it wasn't like you had time to catch it. Wait, Genesis 1 is here too? Oh snap! They got 2 different buildings, bro. These guys are balling. What's up with this? No parking. This street is perfect for a drift. I just don't trust the spot because last time I was here, there was like helicopters. Like they like park up in here and just chill. Dude, it's like the perfect street, man. So fun, and I didn't even rip through my tires too bad either. I was like kind of chilling with the pedal, so it wasn't like just full max RPM the whole entire time, you know. That felt nice, bro. That felt really nice. Oh, that felt. Oh my gosh, bro! I gotta keep working hard, keep racking. I'm gonna keep racking up, but then eventually when the time comes, just like with everything, right? With a tune, with a new car. Because, dude, I need a V12, bro. I need a V12 ASAP. Oh my gosh. I love the ASMR that comes out of this car. Turbo noise, so the turbo's sucking in, turbo whistle, and V8 form. Bro, I don't know. It literally does not get any better. Like M4 comps are good, they sound good, but I don't really hear the turbo spool. Honestly, I don't hear the turbo spool at all. I hear the turbo sucking in for sure. They sound really good. But what other kind of V8 like foreign would sound like this? You know, obviously RS6, bro, they sound so good. That's why a Urus is like kind of nice, because it's like a Urus is just V8 and it's got an RS6 engine in it, and also easy to maintain because it's pretty much an Audi at that point. It's not too bad, you know. I just need to find a homie that can do maintenance on it, and we're chilling. How does it actually spool that hard? Like, I don't know any other car that spools like that. Because I have a homie that has a Mercedes-Benz, but it does not. He has a C63 and it does not spool up like this at all. But they sound good though. Their V8 Benzes sound so good. But like, I'm trying to get the best of both worlds, you know. I wish this one sounded a little bit more like a Benz, like when it comes down to the growl. I think it'll just be more aura, you know. It really does not want to pop right now. I think I need to let it cool down. Oh yeah, definitely. Dude, bro, you hear that spool? That sounds so sexy. I'm telling you, it actually does not get old at all. It's nice to have. You know, I'd rather have that than have nothing. Like that's why I chose this car, man. I feel like that's why we hold those same views too, because these cars are just so sexy, bro. But I'm also in the future, I'm thinking about trading in my Hellcat Red Eye for, eventually I do want to get a Demon 170. Because if I'm gonna have a Hellcat, it's gonna be the max one, bro. I got the Red Eye because it was pretty much max before the Demon by 10 horsepower difference, you know. But Demon 170, bro, come on, bro, 1,000 horsepower stock. That's so sexy. One time I had it on 4-wheel drive sport and I was going up the street like this, but I was going up instead of down. And dude, I actually slipped for a second. Luckily it's 4-wheel drive, but dude, it's even with 4-wheel drive, bro, it's sketch. Like traction mode is so OP, it's unreal. And then one time I was going through the mountains again, same mode, and there was water, and bro, I pushed on it for a second and I slipped instantly. Sketch, bro. Even with 4-wheel drive. What I love about this car, you don't even have to drive this thing aggressive. You don't even gotta drive it aggressive to enjoy it, man. Just even the low RPMs. The view is so nice here. I love it here, man. It's so bright right now. Oh my gosh. What's next, boys? What's the next plan, man? We gotta keep striving bigger. So now that, I don't know what it is with me, guys. I just love cars. I don't see anything else in life that gives me the same purpose. Like, obviously serving Christ and doing things for Christ. You know, that's why you should always get in a habit of giving, because you always get more, bro. At the end of the day, you're only gonna live once, and giving, you're always gonna receive more. That's not why you should give, but I'm just saying, like, it's a good gesture, you know what I'm saying? So there's nothing else I've done in life that other than serving Christ in cars, bro. Working my butt off for sure. It's really nice, fulfilling, you know, especially when you become really successful in what you do. But yeah, man, it's just I don't know what it is, man. Like these cars are so therapeutic, but the things that what I'm really trying to get to right now, I'm gonna be real with you guys, is just passive income. That's why I'm like buying as much real estate as possible in this next like 5 years. I'm trying to buy as much stocks long term in the next 5 years. Like, especially SP 500, if it's returning 10% a year, bro, that's a no-brainer. That is a no-brainer. So my mission right now, dude, is just buy cars, but my main mission is to be able to retire like in the next 10 years, you know? Obviously that's a stretch, but it could happen. Like, I would want to get enough passive income coming in where I legit don't even need to work anymore. That's like, right now, that is what's like driving me. That's like, okay, I'm trying to get to the point where I can own an SVJ, and I also don't have to go work. Like, I have the money. So that's the goal.